So as we enter one of the most difficult, difficult and wonderful, one can say, portion of Torah, which is called Vayera, meaning the revelation, or the revelation to the form of revelation to Abraham, and which is a result of all all the tests and tribulation of Abraham, and everything that we meet is a result or a produce of a circumcision. A circumcision, which we know that we have 4 of them. Circumcision of the eyes, meaning of perception, of the way we perceive the world. Circumcision of speech, and in what kind of language we use, or do we have the language to communicate with the higher, or to communicate with the Creator, meaning a formation of a very particular language. The circumcision of the heart, which is to do with the will and the intention, meaning the new and the only possible vessel to be able to feel the presence of the Creator, and circumcision of the part that is responsible for unification, which in the human body is the sexual part that allow produce. It means actually the circumcision of the vessel of reception. Meaning, well, how can we form the lower or the receiving vessel in order to be able to actually be in, I would say, irreversible communion with the higher, whether it's part of ourself, whether it is lodged in the other, and between us and the part that we are included, the part that we are included in the thought of creation, which the part that we are included in the thought of creation is the intention to bestow, or the will of the Creator to bestow goodness to its createe. Okay. So it is a forming portion, okay? Because there is a true presence of divinity only after circumcision of all those parts in ourself. So one can say there are the conditions in which we seek to find this new identity, and to know how to operate it, and to know how to identify it, and to know how to be with it, is basically in this portion, meaning what forms the future of humankind.